There is a setting in iPhone that we all believe is made for privacy, but the truth of the matter is not really that. It performs another task that is different from the real things we believe it performed. This setting is under advanced and it's called privacy preserving ad measurement. On the real time, this setting is not to prevent your privacy from tech company, but it has some glitch that is used on your device, thereby send ads to your device while you use your device. That is why you need to learn how to turn off this button so that your device will stop sending unnecessary ads to you. Meanwhile, if you want to get an authentic privacy on your device, on your iPhone, this setting has nothing to do. On these settings, you are to turn it off so that Safari will not send ads to your device when you use other party apps on your device. Google send ads to your devices using your activities on each of the apps you use on your device. So if what you want to do is to learn how to stop this particular feature from sending ads to your device on your browser, how to disable these settings on your device, tap on the settings icon, then scroll up to the apps and tap on it. Now tap on the search bar, type in Safari, or you tap on Safari from the apps. Now that I've opened it, scroll down to the base of this page until you get to advanced button, tap on it. Once tap on advanced button, under privacy, you see privacy preserving ad measurement. Toggle it off. By toggling this button off, you prevent Safari to link up with Google, thereby preventing them from sending unnecessary ads to your device when you use this Safari browser or any other apps on your device. That is exactly what you need to know about this. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed and you want more tips like this on your iPhone, then subscribe to this channel. Not only that, toggle on that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when we drop another important update on this channel. See you soon guys on our next video.